Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to learn the use of till versus until in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. Till. Till is a preposition that means up to the time of or as far as. It is used to talk about events or situations that will continue until a specific time. For example, I'm working till 5 p.m. or you have to wait till Monday to see the manager, or I'll teach you till exam. Until. Until is a preposition that means up to the time of or as far as. It's used to talk about events or situations that will continue till a specific time. For example, I'm working until 5 p.m. You have to wait until Monday to see the manager, or I'll teach you until exam. Wait, what? Don't they both sound the same? Yes, they do. Why? Because both of these terms are the exact same thing. That is, a representation of time related to an action or event continuing up to a particular point in time. The word until is used in formal notices or letters, or any other form of writing, whereas the word till has a more casual tone to it. Now, repeating that there is no difference in meaning between until and till. Till is more common in conversation and until has a formal tone. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!